guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're back in Praia Mare today because I wanted to ask our friend Gianfranco a huge favor. Now, Gianfranco owns and operates the Rio Plaza Cafe here on the Piazza della Indipendenza here in Praia Mare. And to my mind, he makes some of the best gelato I've ever had, and we asked him to show us how he did it, and he's going to. So he's in prepping the ingredients right now, and soon we're going to go back and join him and see how he makes his magic. Welcome to Gianfranco's kitchen here. He's going to show us how to make some of the best gelato that I've ever had. So we've got some ingredients here. Gianfranco, what do we have?
Welcome to my kitchen, to my ice cream laboratorio, laboratorio di gelato artigianale in Praia Mare. So we got best quality of fresh milk, sugar, fresh cream, double fresh cream. And this is just a base of from ice cream. It means just it's like dust of milk and prepare it. They put inside for make a good quality. This is one of the best. How do you say preparato? Okay.
Preparations, yeah.
Preparation for ice cream. Okay, we start from milk. We put first fresh milk. Then we put cream, sugar, and the rest we put preparated. Important when you make ice cream, you know you have to wait all the ingredients, otherwise quality is getting low. So
yes.
So it's because I use my personal recipe.
See, okay. Personal recipes.
Recipe, yeah. Okay, personal recipe, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. In this case, we are going to do two quality of two flavor of ice cream. We prepare hazelnuts and pistachio. 100% hazelnuts from Piedmont, and one of the best pistachio of Bronte, where I use pesto. Pesto, it means just yeah. Virgin pesto, virgin pesto of pistachio.
Ah, okay. So okay. Pistachio and nocciola. And you said I missed where you said the pistachios were from. They were from where?
The Bronte, Sicily.
Bronte. Oh, Sicily. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
And the nuts from Piedmont.
Piemonte. Up north. Okay.
Piemonte.
Okay. So, and those two flavors you wanted to show me because they are flavors of the Queen, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about that.
Well, if you want to taste, when you want to taste ice cream, normal people who is intended or knew about ice cream, when they ask to you to taste a flavor, the first flavor they taste always is pistachio and nuts.
Because that's how you can tell the quality.
For the price of or the quality, from the quality, also because it's you know the people because nuts and pistachio very expensive products. So it means if you use the best quality, they can see how much what quality you use when they go to test this kind of flavor.
Ah, okay, yeah. Okay. So those two flavors will tell you the quality of the ice cream. So they're basically you can't hide anything in those flavors. Is that right?
Yeah, basically the matter is just to use the best quality of. You don't have to, how do you say, to risparmiare of the quality. You have always use the best quality of the products.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the end of ice cream is not the same the quality.
No.
The important also when you use the pasteurizing, because we are going to make first pasteurizing, and then we put in carpigiani to mantecatore. Okay. This is mantecatore of one of the best mantecatore. Yeah. Italian, made from Bologna. And in the end, when you got ice cream, we are going to put inside minus 30 gradi.
Minus 30.
Okay. Minus 30, yeah.
Minus 30 degrees.
Yeah.
And how long do you have to put it in there?
About 20 minutes, half an hour. You can just see when you have, how you say, la pelle, the skin of ice cream. Yeah, it's very hard, and then you can take, you can sell.
Ah, okay,
okay,
that makes
but
sense.
it's very matter also to kill the, how do you say, bacteria.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, when you want to put
microbes.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
very important.
Yeah, yeah.
Very important
okay.
to use the. We say to follow the HCCP, HCCP.
Like a standard.
Yeah, the rules of HCCP. Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
That makes sense.
Okay, I'm going to put the rest of the milk.
Okay.
So we go for 4 liters, and then we at the end of this procedure we have got latte. We have got the panna or
Cream.
yeah, the cream. Yeah, the cream is we are calling fior di latte.
Fior di latte.
Yeah.
Now, fior di latte is the flavor that you start with. Like
Yeah, the
vanilla.
flavor where I start. We always start with the white flour, so fior di latte, and then you every procedure you start to, and then you're going to make, for example, a Kinder or stracciatella.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, and then you go by the flavor.
Ah.
You start with the low flavor, no, with the white flavor,
Yeah.
and you finish with the black, with the chocolate.
Ah, so you just
yeah.
Okay, that
You
makes
grow
sense.
with, otherwise it means it's a system that. For
It makes
produce.
sense.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And now this is heavy cream, right?
Yeah,
Well,
heavy cream, fresh cream, double fresh cream. Very important to use a fresh quality.
Yes.
So we are going to put like just 50 gram per kilo.
Okay.
Okay. So we go 4 kilo. We are going to. Okay, it was 450. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going with the sugar. So I'm gonna put 200 grams for kilo of milk. We got 4 liters, so it's for 80 grams.
Okay, 80 grams.
Yeah, 80 grams. We're going for 5.
Okay. And you're watching the numbers as you pour.
Yes, in a way.
Yeah.
Okay, we are ready. All right.
Okay.
In the end, we finish.
And that's milk powder.
Yeah,
and
there's milk
some
powder,
other things. Yeah. It's a powdered base.
Yeah, powder of milk.
Ooh, it
That's very
smells
important.
good.
Yeah, otherwise without this you can't make ice cream.
No, no.
Yeah, it smells good. Yeah.
Yeah, it smells delicious.
Yeah, it's only 100 grams for 1 kilo.
Oh, okay. Okay. It smells like vanilla.
Yeah, right.
It's delicious. And where do you
Okay.
get this? Do you buy it at a restaurant supply store, or you make it yourself?
It comes from Rimini, from one of the best house of make tray. It is also I just bought by the, how do you say, it come here from a seller.
Yeah.
Not in the supermarket.
No, I've never seen it in the supermarket.
No, you just find it. Where you find this, you know, they come and they sell for you. They send you by post and then by courier.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So this is the now we have to make an important pass. It is just to mix all the products.
Wow, that's quite a mixture.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Because we don't have too much liters of preparated of fior di latte, and I want to use just you say my system. I just going to heat like 40 degrees. For make a good pistachio, first secret, you have to make a good. So you have to use a machine to prepare nuts, nocciola.
Okay.
After nocciola viene il pistacchio.
Okay.
Ok, è molto importante perché va a dare un sapore aggiunto al pistacchio, la nocciola.
Ah, I see.
La nocciola migliora il pistacchio in questo caso.
Okay.
Ok.
Okay, perfect. Okay. We're splitting up the product because we can do two flavors.
I share.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, nocciola. This is pistachio.
Pistacchio, ok.
Pistachio. And where did you learn how to make gelato?
It's a funny thing because I used to work many years before to back to Calabria, to my home, to my land. I used to learn by myself.
Ah.
Yeah, that's funny thing. Just friends. I saw a couple of times of friends in Lago Sirino. I just see him one time to make ice cream, and then I start by myself.
Ah.
Yeah, and that's the passion.
Yeah.
Sì, è molta passione.
Sì, è
Molta
ovvio.
passione, sì.
So this is pistachio powder.
Yeah.
That's nocciola powder, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, can you use these powders for other things, pastries and things like that? Oh, no, it's not a powder.
Yeah, it's not a powder.
paste.
No, this is cream.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's,
I bet.
yeah.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
We are going over €100.
That's nocciola there. He just put the nocciola in.
Sure.
And then this one here is the pistachio. And he just put the pesto of pistachio inside. It smells so lovely and delicious in here. Well, that holds a lot more than it looks like it's going to hold.
Okay, here we
That's
go.
the magic.
It's almost ready.
Okay.
Now,
Now's the fun part, right?
Yeah. Machine.
Okay, look at this great machine.
Yeah. Very amazing machine. I love this machine,
Yeah.
my friends.
I can tell. It's like your baby.
Yeah. Like a baby, yeah.
Okay.
You always must take care and control before to make, because you can put it open and then when you put the products, yeah, sure. Oh my God.
That must be painful when that happens.
Yeah, big painful.
Okay, it's going in. Now, is there a big bin in there that's cold? And does it move it around?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
È un motore, un frigorifero.
Sì, ok.
E poi c'è un'elica che gira dentro e che si monta e col freddo monta vicino al freddo.
And it creates that consistency because it's always moving,
Il
right?
prodotto inizia a diventare crema.
Crema, sì.
Sì, una crema. A mantecare, a montare. Cioè, adesso avviamo la macchina.
Ok.
Adesso fa tutto da solo. Aspettiamo solo che finisce. We wait for just send like a message, a bite, a couple of bites, and then it will be ready.
Now, He has a sub-zero fridge that he's put this pan in, so it's really, really freezing cold. Because you don't want to shock the gelato when it comes out of the machine with a warm pan. Oh, look at that!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's magic. Oh boy. This is what dreams.
Okay.
That's beautiful. And you can really smell the nuts. Oh, look at that.
That's the best.
Yeah.
Now I'll let you test.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to clean out the whole machine in
Now we
order
are
to...
alright.
yeah.
Sondino. Minus 30.
Okay.
Okay. Half an hour. And they will be ready.
Okay.
Here you are.
Oh, look at this.
Finally, that's the product.
Ah, it's perfect.
Okay.
Oh, super creamy. Oh, this is, I'm telling you, he's the best.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, it's really good. Okay, go away. I'm going to enjoy this.
Okay.
It's going to go in this magnificent machine.
And what is this, Chris?
What? Pistachio. It's cured de latte with that pistachio pesto in it. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It's important to collect all the ice. Don't put it in the bin because it's very expensive quality. It's very expensive product, but also it's not fair to. It's much important to use the stuff like this.
Yeah, make sure.
Yeah.
Chris, what's coming up?
Pistachio. It's gonna be gorgeous. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Oh yeah. That is a work of art. Yeah, these are big sellers, right? A lot of people popular. Pistachio and nocciola.
Pistachio and nocciola, very popular, sure. And the limon as well.
Oh yeah, lemon.
Yeah, limon in the summertime. So strawberry for kids.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Black chocolate.
Yeah.
Also.
Strawberry and chocolate together, so good.
Yeah.
Oh, and he made a fig ice cream with figs.
What is your spoon?
Where's my spoon? I put it in the sink. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that.
Here you are.
Look at that. You can see little chunks of pistachio inside. Oh, I'm gonna get it before it. Oh, so good. Oh my goodness.
Some glaze.
That's like peanut butter. It gets kind of. Oh yeah, look at that.
Pistachio glaze.
Pistachio glaze. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's crazy good.
And the magical touch.
Okay.
Tocco magico.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Chunks of pistachio. Ooh.
All right.
That's amazing. Now, that is a work of art. Look at that. Woohoo!
Wow.
That's
Okay.
beautiful.